Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Petolio Rafael, 35 years old, married. I have two children, 13 and 6 years old. I'm 155 centimeter tall and 55 kilograms in weight. I am a vocational graduate in nursing aid healthcare services. I am hardworking and trustworthy, reliable, kind, and patient person. I work here in the Philippines for 5 years. I serve elderly couple and their grandchild. My main duties is household works like cleaning the house, cooking, grocery shopping, marketing, do the laundry, taking care of the kid like preparing her meals, dress her up, taking her a bath, teach her how to sing, dance and play, and also how to learn ABCs, number, color, and shape. I am willing to take care of elderly person, newborn babies, children 1 year old and above, and I love also cats and dogs. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods, any kind of foods according to your preference and dietary needs. Ma'am and sir, I want to go abroad to provide a better life for my family. So please give me a chance to be your nanny, and I promise you to do my duty and responsibility, and I will finish my contract. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.